Hey guys, so I'm sharing me getting the Vice bundles, the 18, 20, 22 inch in the body wave. Done by my mom's, and it also comes with a closure. So that's the 18, the 20, and 22, and then that was a closure on top. And as you can see, yes, body weight. So this is mid through the braiding process. So of course you have to have a flat surface. So mom went ahead and braided it. We did use box braided hair. It's not my to braid it so that it has a more firmer grip, and instead of like my natural hair when sewing in the tracks. And of course, and mom's also oiled my hair. Now this is one track. Now I didn't give you guys a whole thing because it would have been boring. But this is when we were almost done. I know I look crazy now, but this is the end result